Yo, what's up everyone, it's Saurav, and let's talk about developer tools. Did you know that a recent study found that nearly 60% of developers haven't fully tapped into the power of GNU tools? We're talking about essential utilities that can seriously level up your workflow. GNU tools are like the unsung heroes of the software development world. They're powerful, versatile, and they're everywhere. Think of them as these finely tuned instruments that can help you write better code, automate tasks, and just generally become a more efficient developer. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 GNU tools that every developer, and I mean every developer, should have in their toolkit. We're going to break down each tool, show you what it does and how it can save you time and headaches. First up, we've got Bash, the born-again shell. This is the command line interpreter you're probably using every single day. But Bash is way more than just a way to navigate your files. With Bash, you can create scripts to automate repetitive tasks. Think about things like managing files, compiling code, or even running complex system operations. All of that can be automated with Bash scripts, saving you a ton of time and effort. And the beauty of Bash is that it's incredibly powerful. You can chain commands together, create loops, define variables, and so much more. It's like having a full-blown programming language right at your fingertips, right there in your terminal. Next, we've got grep, the global regular expression print utility. Now that might sound intimidating, but trust me, grep is your new best friend when it comes to searching through code. Imagine you've got a project with thousands of lines of code and you need to find a specific function call. Grep lets you search through all those files in seconds, pulling out exactly what you're looking for. But grep isn't just for finding specific words. You can use regular expressions, which are basically supercharged search patterns, to find pretty much anything you can imagine within your code base. It's like having a magnifying glass with X-ray vision for your code. Now let's talk about sed, the stream editor. This tool is like a magic wand for text manipulation, letting you make changes to files without even having to open them. Imagine you've got a configuration file with hundreds of lines, and you need to replace a specific word throughout the entire file. With sed, you can do that with a single command. No more manually going through each line and making the change yourself. Sed is incredibly powerful for automating repetitive editing tasks. You can use it to delete lines, insert text, replace strings, and even rearrange entire blocks of text. It's like having a personal assistant for all your text editing needs. Now let's move on to awk, a pattern-matching programming language that's perfect for working with data. If you're dealing with log files, CSV data, or any kind of structured data, awk is your go-to tool. Awk lets you easily extract specific pieces of information from your data, perform calculations, and even generate reports. It's like having a mini database system right there in your terminal. And what's really cool about awk is that it's incredibly flexible. You can use it for simple tasks like counting the number of lines in a file, or you can build complex data processing pipelines with it. It's a tool that scales with your needs. Finally, we have Make, the build automation tool. If you're working on large projects with multiple source files, libraries, and dependencies, Make is absolutely essential. Make helps you define the steps required to build your project, taking care of compiling code, linking libraries, and generating executables. It's like having a project manager that ensures everything is built in the right order and with the correct settings. But Make is more than just a build tool. You can use it to automate any kind of task that involves multiple steps and dependencies. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your development workflow and prevent build errors. So there you have it. 5 powerful GNU tools that can seriously up your game as a developer. Whether you're writing scripts with Bash, searching through code with grep, or automating builds with Make, these tools are here to make your life easier. Mastering these tools can take your coding efficiency to a whole new level. You'll be able to automate tasks, write cleaner code, and generally get more done in less time. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment down below letting me know which GNU tool is your absolute favorite. And for more developer tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.